Hey everyone, and welcome to In the Know with Notebook LM. I'm Mr. Skinner, and if you've ever wished your notes could organize, summarize, and explain themselves, you're going to love this. Today we're diving into Notebook LM, Google's powerful AI tool that's about to make teaching, learning, and planning a whole lot easier and is part of the SPS official AI toolkit. Picture this. You've got lesson plans, PDFs, Google Docs, and sticky notes everywhere. You're juggling grading, pacing guides, and 10 open labs. Now imagine one smart space that pulls it all together. That's Notebook LM. It's like having an AI co-teacher who remembers everything you upload, your readings, notes, even your brainstorms, and helps you make sense of it. And the best part, Notebook LM does not go wandering the web. It stays focused on your materials, giving you the answers and summaries grounded in your classroom content, the things that you've created and input into Notebook LM. Now, let's talk about what makes Notebook LM such a game changer for teachers and students. One, source grounded responses. It only uses the files you upload, and so your answers are accurate and relevant to what you input into Notebook LM. Upload a lesson plan, a textbook excerpt, or an article, and Notebook LM keeps it focused right there. Automatic summaries and study guides. Upload a 10-page reading, and it can summarize key ideas, outline themes, and even draft quiz questions to you. Chat with your notes. This is my favorite. You can literally ask your notes questions. What's the main idea of the article? How does these two standards connect? Notebook LM gives you clear, cited answers in seconds. Also, custom notebooks. Create a notebook for each unit or class. Keep your sources summarized and AI generated insights neatly organized in one spot that you can always refer back to. So, how can you actually use this in the classroom? For teachers, use it to plan lessons, unpack standards, and simplify your PD reading. Drop in your curriculum docs and let Notebook LM summarize objectives, compare strategies, and generate discussion prompts. It's like having a digital coach who never needs caffeine. For students, older students can use it to study smarter by summarizing class readings, analyzing sources, or comparing historic events. It helps them focus on understanding content, not memorizing it. And in their classrooms, where students bring a wide range of experiences and learning styles, Notebook LM helps level the playing field, making complex information accessible to everyone. So, whether you're teaching science, art, PE, history, English, or any other content, Notebook LM can help you and your students think smarter and not harder. Try it out. It's in your SPS Chrome browser waffle and see how it can transform your workflow and lessons and maybe even your sanity. If you need more help, you can always call an ITRT at ITRT at SPSK12.net. Have an awesome day.